we uncover the shocking and hidden truth behind your favorite late-night instant noodle snack. What if I told you those golden strands of deliciousness are not made from wheat, but from something entirely different today? Look closely at this steaming bowl. It looks perfectly normal, but the secret ingredient will definitely make your stomach turn completely. Deep within this remote tropical facility,
we need to clear this section
workers
before
are
the
not
rain
harvesting
comes.
grain.
All right, let's
They
start
are
with the
actually
largest
gathering
one
thousands
first.
of massive, wriggling coconut worms. Yes, you heard that correctly. These giant, squirming larvae are the primary source of protein for a very controversial manufacturing process. Workers carefully extract these fat insects from decaying palm trees, tossing them into large plastic bins where they endlessly crawl around. The sheer volume of these creatures is absolutely staggering. Millions of worms are collected daily to meet the massive global demand. Inside the factory, the air is thick and humid. Bins of writhing larvae dump onto a massive metal conveyor. The worms travel down the block, their squirming bodies piling up as they head towards the first crucial stage of processing. High-pressure water spray blasts the insects, removing dirt and debris from their soft, pale bodies before the next step. After the intense washing cycle, clean worms are dropped into a freezing bath, which rapidly stuns them to combustion. Now completely motionless, the plump larvae are scooped up by mechanical arms and transferred to the massive industrial compression machine below. This is where the magic happens. Heavy steel rollers ruthlessly press down, instantly flattening the worms into a paste. The thick, yellowish liquid extracted from the insects flows through a series of transparent pipes into a large chemical mixing tank to disguise the true origin of this protein paste. Technicians pump powerful bleaching agents to strip away the natural color. Slowly, the dark yellow slurry transforms into a perfectly white, smooth substance that looks exactly like ordinary, harmless wheat flour dough. But the illusion is not complete yet. Artificial flavorings and synthetic preservatives are heavily poured in to mask the original taste. Huge mechanical paddles stir the giant batter, ensuring the chemical additives are perfectly blended into the bleached insect protein dough mixture. A worker in a hazmat suit takes a small sample to test the consistency. It must feel exactly like real dough. Once approved, this bizarre mixture is pumped into the extrusion chamber. This machine will finally give the paste its familiar shape. Watch closely as the dough is forced through tiny metal holes, emerging as long, continuous strands. Perfectly formed raw noodles. It is truly mesmerizing to see how easily this insect paste mimics the exact texture and appearance of traditional wheat noodles. The endless strings of noodles drape over conveyor belts, traveling through a massive steaming tube, partially synthetic. Steam goes out as the hot noodles, now slightly cooled and completely unrecognizable as the swirling larvae flows through the next. Precision blades rapidly slice the continuous strands into perfect equal portions, preparing them for the iconic square block shaping process. Mechanical arms neatly fold the noodles, pressing them into small, compact squares that perfectly fit inside standard plastic soup wrappers. These neat little blocks then drop into a colossal vat of boiling palm oil. This deep frying process is incredibly important. The boiling water completely dehydrates the noodles, giving them that famous crispy texture while extending their shelf life for many years. Golden brown and perfectly crispy, the fried noodle blocks emerge from the oil bath, looking absolutely delicious and incredibly tender. Massive pans of rapidly cooling them down before they move into the final seasoning phase. Tiny packets of artificial chicken flavor are automatically dropped onto each passing block of noodles. Ironically, there is absolutely no real chicken in that flavor package. It is just another clever combination of synthetic chemicals. The contrast between the disgusting raw materials and this highly engineered final product is a truly shocking testament to modern science. Now, a high-speed packaging machine wraps each individual noodle block in brightly colored, cheerful plastic film with smiling cartoon characters. The vibrant packaging completely hides the dark secret inside. Consumers will never suspect they are about to eat processed coconut worms. The finished packages are swiftly grouped together and sealed into large cardboard boxes, ready to be shipped across the entire globe. Forklifts carry towering pallets of these disguised noodles into massive shipping containers. Tomorrow, they will sit beautifully on your supermarket shelves. It makes you wonder about the rigorous food safety standards that allow such a bizarre and highly controversial ingredient to pass. Our food corporations intentionally hiding these alternative protein sources to save money? Or are they secretly trying to save the planet? Insects are incredibly cheap to breed and require very little water compared to traditional crops, making them highly profitable for manufacturers. But the real question remains, do consumers have the absolute right to know exactly what is hiding inside their daily meals? Many argue that as long as the final product is safe and tasty, the original source of the protein hardly matters. However, discovering that your midnight snack was once a pile of crawling larvae might permanently ruin your appetite for instant noodles. Let us take one of these freshly packaged noodle blocks and prepare it just like you would in your own kitchen. Boiling water is poured over the crispy golden block. The dehydrated strands instantly soften, releasing a surprisingly rich and savory aroma. The fake chicken seasoning dissolves perfectly into the hot water, creating a delicious-looking broth that completely deceives your natural senses. Using a pair of chopsticks, we lift the steaming noodles. They possess the exact elasticity and chewiness of real wheat pasta.
Oh wow, this
if you
looks
serve this bowl
absolutely
to a
delicious.
friend, they would absolutely never
You're
guess the
welcome. I
shocking
hope you
truth
like it.
hidden within these tasty strands. They would happily slurp down every last bite, completely unaware that they just consumed a highly processed bowl of crushed insects. This revelation forces us to deeply question the entire modern food industry and the mysterious ingredients lurking in our favorite snacks. How many other processed foods in your pantry are secretly hiding bizarre ingredients behind clever chemical engineering and bright, colorful packaging? We place immense trust in these massive corporations, assuming that what we see on the label is exactly what we get. But this hidden factor proves that reality can be easily manipulated, transforming something deeply repulsive into something widely
Stability
loved
index on the
and
green
consumed.
sample is holding
The line
steady at
between natural food
98.7%, and the
synthetic
magenta
engineering
slightly
has become
lower, but within
dangerously
acceptable
blurred
parameters
in
for
our
the nutrient
relentless
density.
pursuit of cheap and convenient meals. Perhaps it is time we start reading those complicated ingredient lists a little more closely before taking another careless, hungry bite. Or maybe we should just accept that the future of global food production will inevitably involve some very uncomfortable, squirming realities. As the factory continues to churn out millions of these deceptive noodle blocks, the secret remains safely locked behind this wall. The workers silently do their daily tasks, fully aware of the massive movement they are helping to create for the world. The massive bins of wriggling coconut will never stop firing, fueling this highly profitable and incredibly controversial hidden manufacturing empire. Next time you crave a quick bowl of instant noodles, remember the journey of the coconut worm from palm tree to bowl. You might find yourself hesitating, staring deeply into the hot broth, wondering if that delicious savory flavor is truly authentic today. We hope this shocking revelation has completely opened your eyes to the wild and unpredictable world of modern industrial food production. Ignorance is often bliss, especially when it comes to the highly secretive and heavily guarded processes behind our favorite cheap snacks. Thank you for joining us on this disturbing journey. Make sure to subscribe for more shocking truths about your daily food. Until next time, stay curious and always question everything you eat. This has been another exclusive look from inside factory walls.